My bad, you guys. I totally forgot to film an intro to this video. This is me after working out. I'm sweaty. I know. Today we're gonna be hitting legs and glutes. Grab your kettlebell, grab your yoga mat, but before we get started, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Let's get into this. All right, guys, starting off with frog pumps, you're gonna go ahead and lay down on your yoga mat, grab your kettlebell, and put it over your hips. Then you're gonna bring your feet together in a diamond position. So they're on their sides. Your knees should be out in a diamond position. And then you're gonna thrust up and flex your glutes, okay? Flexing your glutes, this is a great exercise for not only your butt, but also your inner thighs. You guys are gonna start feeling it in your inner thighs. We got 4 sets of 20, you guys. So go ahead and follow along. Take a 5 to 10 second rest and let's get into set 2. Give yourself a 5 to 10 second rest and then let's get into set 3. Take a 5 to 10 second rest and let's get into our last set, you guys. Let's get it. Take a 10 to 15 second rest right here, and then we're gonna get ready to do lateral squats. So for this one, you're gonna get the kettlebell in your hand, and standing up, we're gonna go from side to side. So your feet should be facing forward. You see how my toes are pointing forward? So toes are pointing forward. It's not gonna be a sumo, so you shouldn't have them open and pointing a ways. They should be facing forward, and then you're gonna go ahead and lean from side to side, putting all your weight on the leg that you're bending, okay? This is great for your legs, hamstrings, glutes, everything, even quads. And then you're gonna push up from your heel and then go into the other side. We got 3 sets of 20, you guys. Let's get it. Take a 5 to 10 second rest, and let's get into set 2. Give yourself a 5 to 10 second rest, and then let's get into set 3. Nice job. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest here and get ready for jump squats. So putting the kettlebell in your hand, we're gonna start in the squat position and jump up. Try to jump up as high as you can. When you come down, make sure that you're keeping your back straight, you guys. It's really important to keep your form solid. Knees shouldn't go over your toes, and we're gonna go ahead and do 3 sets of 12. Let's get it. Take a 5 to 10 second rest, and let's get into set 2. Give yourself a 5 to 10 second rest, and then let's get into set 3. Great job. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest because you're gonna need it. Next, we have in and out squats. So starting off in the regular squat position with your legs apart, we're gonna go ahead and squat and then jump into an inner squat. So you see how I'm not really like pausing, it's just jump, jump. We've got 3 sets, you guys, and 10 reps each set. Let's get it. Take a 5 to 10 second rest, and let's get into set 2. Give yourself a 5 5 to 10 second rest, and then let's get into set 3. And that's the workout, you guys. Give this workout a shot and let me know what you think in the comments down below. As always, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button for more workouts, and I'll see you later. Bye.